Hi guys, if your photo looks hazy or has a bit of fog in it, here is a quick way to fix it in Photopea. So open the image in Photopea, go to Filter, Camera Raw, and in the sliders on the right side go to Dehaze. You can slightly increase the slider to remove the fog from the image. And also you can change the clarity and the contrast. So just move the sliders until you get the best image and click OK. That's it. Here let me show you a quick before and after comparison. So here is the before and here is the after. So before, after. You can clearly see the fog is removed in the after image. And let me just quickly remind you, Photopea is free to use and it's a free alternative to Photoshop. You can use it in the browser without downloading or any sign up. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.